Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah, di sini saya akan menyampaikan 16 tenses. Namun yang pertama-tama yang harus kita ketahui adalah apa itu tenses. Tenses adalah perubahan bentuk kata kerja berdasarkan keterangan waktu dan sifat kegiatan atau kejadian. Macam-macam tenses itu sendiri. Yang pertama ada simple present tense. Simple present tense adalah bentuk tense yang digunakan untuk menjelaskan sesuatu yang sedang terjadi. Rumus dari simple present tense, positive tense yang pertama subject plus verb 1 plus is atau s plus object. Sedangkan negative sentence yaitu subject plus do atau does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Dan interrogative sentence yang pertama do atau not plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, Anita goes to Kusumba Market at 5 AM. Dan negative sentence, Anita does not go to Kusumba Market at 5 AM. Dan interrogative sentence, does Anita go to Kusumba Market at 5 AM? Yang kedua ada simple present tense. Rumus dari simple present tense yaitu positive tense, subject plus to be, am, is, are plus verb ing plus object. Negative sentence yang rumusnya adalah subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative sentence to be plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Example, we are positive sentence, we are studying English. Negative sentence, we are not studying English. Interrogative sentence, are we studying English? Yang ketiga ada simple present perfect tense. Simple present perfect tense ini adalah sesuatu yang sudah terjadi namun masih dilakukan. Rumusnya positive tenses, subject plus have or his plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative sentence, subject plus have or his plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative sentence, have or his plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Positive sentence, I have finished my homework. Negative sentence, I have not finished my homework. Interrogative sentence, have I finished my homework? 4 ada present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense yaitu sesuatu yang dimulai di masa lampau dan terus berlanjut sampai saat ini. Rumus dari present perfect continuous tense, positive tense-nya yaitu subject plus have or his plus been plus verb ing plus object. Negative sentence yaitu subject plus have or his plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative sentence, have or his plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, she has been speaking for the last 3 hours. Negative sentence, she has not been speaking for the last 3 hours. Interrogative sentence, has she been speaking for the last 3 hours? Yang kelima ada simple past tense. Rumusnya yaitu positive tense, subject plus verb 2 plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative sentence, did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, positive tense, I worked hard for that company. Negative sense, I did not work hard for that company. Interrogative sentence, did I work hard for that company? Yang keenam ada past continuous tense. Past continuous tense itu adalah sesuatu yang sedang terjadi di masa lampau. Rumusnya yaitu positive sentence, subject plus to be plus verb ing plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative sentence, to be plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Example, positive sentence. He was playing football in the field last week. Negative sentence, he was not playing football in the field last week. Interrogative sentence, was he playing football in the field last week? Itu ada simple past perfect tense. Rumusnya, positive sentence, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus had not plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative sentence, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Example, positive sentence, she had brought my book to cafe last week. Negative sentence, she had not brought my book to cafe last week. Interrogative sentence, had she brought my book to cafe last week? Yang kedelapan ada simple past perfect continuous. Rumus dari simple past perfect continuous, positive sentence, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative sentence, had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, positive sentence, you had been crying for an hour. Negative sentence, you had not been crying for an hour. Interrogative sentence, had you been crying for an hour? Yang kesembilan ada simple future tense. Simple future tense yaitu suatu keadaan yang akan terjadi atau di masa depan. Rumus dari simple future tense, positive sentence, subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative sentence, will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. I will work hard for this company. Negative sentence, I will not work hard for this company. Interrogative sentence, will I work hard for this company? Yang ke-10 ada future continuous tense. Rumus dari future continuous tense yaitu positive sentence, subject plus will plus or be going to plus be plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Negative sentence, subject plus will or be not going to plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, will or to be is are plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Example, positive sentence, I'm going be studying English. Negative sentence, I'm not going to be studying English. Interrogative sentence, am I going to be studying English? The future perfect tense. Future perfect tense adalah sesuatu yang akan berakhir di masa depan. Rumus dari future perfect tense, positive sentence, subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Negative sentence, subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, will plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Example, positive sentence, I will have finished my homework. Negative sentence, I will not have finished my homework. Interrogative sentence, will I have finished my homework? 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense adalah sesuatu yang akan terus terjadi di masa depan. Rumus dari future perfect continuous, positive sentence, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Negative sentence, subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Simple positive sentence, in 2021 she will have been working hard for 2 years. Negative sentence, in 2021 she will not have been working hard for 2 years. Interrogative sentence, in 2021 will she have been working hard for 2 years. 13. Past future tense. Past future tense menunjukkan aksi yang akan dilakukan di masa lalu namun gagal atau rencana yang gagal. Tip sentence, subject plus would or should plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Negative sentence, subject plus would or should plus not plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, would or should plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus complement. Example, I would come to your party if you invite me. Negative sentence, I would not come to your party if you did not invite me. Interrogative sentence, would I come to your party if you invite me? 14. Past future continuous. Past future continuous yaitu sesuatu yang akan dilakukan di masa lampau dan akan berlangsung hingga waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Positive sentence, subject plus would or should plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Negative sentence, subject plus would or should plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, would or should plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Example, positive sentence, she would helping her mother by this time yesterday. Negative sentence, she will not be helping her mother by this time yesterday. Interrogative sentence, would she be helping her mother by this time yesterday? Next, past future perfect tense. Past future perfect tense yaitu sesuatu yang akan dilakukan di masa lampau namun ternyata tidak dilakukan. Rumusnya, positive sentence, subject plus would or should plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Negative sentence, subject plus would or should plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, would or should plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus complement. Example, positive sentence, I would have bought a new car if I had enough money. Negative sentence, I would not have bought a new car if I had enough money. Interrogative sentence, would I have bought a new car if I had enough money? And past future perfect continuous tense. Past future perfect continuous tense yaitu akan, sudah, dan masih sedang dilakukan di masa lampau namun sebenarnya tidak terjadi. Rumus dari past future perfect continuous tense, positive tenses, subject plus would or should plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, subject plus would or should plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Interrogative sentence, would or should plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object plus complement. Example, positive sentence, you would have been going to Jogja last month. Negative sentence, you would not have been going to Jogja last month. Interrogative sentence, would you have been going to Jogja last month?